So today we're on our way to Mallorca. Sorry, we just left Ciutadella in Menorca, and right now we are motor sailing because the wind is a little bit too much in the nose to just sail. And it's a trip of 10 hours plus. We left a little bit late because we had to make some diesel, fill the tanks. So yeah, for now we motor sailing, and let's see if the wind becomes a bit more favorable during the day.
The weird thing is that the weather forecast is not as promised. Tim was saying that he checked 7 or 8 different weather forecasts and they all said something different. But none of them said that we would have upwind today, which we have, and not enough. So we are using the engine as well. We are both sails up. Mina pelis inside watching her cartoon like always, so we can have some me time, as it is on this small boat. We are gonna go to an anchorage called Soyer, which is 55 nautical miles away from here, which means if our average speed is 5, then we would make it there in 11 hours. But luckily it's Sunday, so Jim doesn't need to work. We can just keep the boat going. And hopefully by dinner time, well not dinner time, hopefully by sleeping time, we will have the anchor dropped somewhere nice and safe and we can head to bed.
Then we will catch a mai or something.
Oh yes, we put the line in and we're gonna catch a mai today because why not? It's the fish we like the most. So tunas, don't come near us. Mai, you're welcome. Well, hello there, Mallorca. Can barely see it, but almost there. I think I have said this over a month now, like 10 times at least. What the hell is this weather? There's something really weird going on in it. Vaadake, äge suur mingi kalju või mingi kuubas seal üleval on näha. But we removed all our sails because there is no wind here. Luckily, at least not upwind like it was before. Just had the dinner and came in front of the boat to chill a bit. We will first check how is the anchorage behind that big rock, and if it's okay, we're gonna stay the night there and then go to Soyer tomorrow. Let's see, the Soyer is still like 7 miles away from here, so another hour. And let's see, this place should be really nice, just hoping that the swell would not go in and we could actually stay there. It is really pretty here, so it would be really nice if we could stay. On the moment of truth, is there anyone? And is it gonna be good for anchoring or not? Ta-da! In 80 seconds now we will know. But it looks like the swell is not going in, I hope. It's rather coming from there, so... Well, it's quite busy actually. Let's see if we can find a spot there or not. So we spent our night here, but now this morning we are gonna go to the Soyer base. All the other boats are on that side of the bay, but we decided to stay here. It's not the best trip, but it's so pretty here. Really pretty. Hey ho, Soyer, we are here. So now we are planning to find a place where to take the tram and go somewhere up the village in Soyer village. It's really pretty here and nice and warm. Can find the tickets maybe from there then. It's so cool. So this is the tram that takes us somewhere up. So cute. See you up there. The cafeteria is so fun. And we made it to Soyer.
Yummy, can we go here?
We have made it back to the boat, enjoying the little bit of sun. This town, this Soyer town was really amazing. It's just wow. The tram to this town that we took back and forth, it was rather expensive, but a cool experience that you can't get maybe from everywhere. So it was €8 per adult one way. So overall we paid €40 together with Miabel. And the town there was nice. We had lunch there and walked around and had ice cream and just looked around. It's really beautiful little village. And here in this Soyer port part, the marina, it is also really nice. It's of course nicer there up in the mountain where is this village, but this place is really nice. I like it here. Quite crowded, anchorage, but seems to hold quite okay, and the swell is coming from the direction of the wind, so we should be okay for the night as well. Planning to stay here maybe 2 nights. Let's see, let's hope. Even more beautiful with the lights. Good night. Good morning. Miabel and Jim are taking Safi somewhere to pee and poo. But unfortunately this Soyer place is not really well protected from the swell for some reason, even though it says it is. So we have been facing the marina, the land, and the swell is still coming in there. Oh, so it has been rather rolly, not that much, but still like annoyingly rolly. So we are still thinking to leave this place maybe, to go more to the south. Let's see. The weather forecast says that the wind will be from the nose, which is not gonna be pleasant to do 30 miles. But Actually, the weather forecast hasn't been really true these days, so I just woke up and yeah, now it's time to think what we'll do. Got a tip from one really lovely woman from the store yesterday that there is 2 lovely towns nearby where we could go by bus. One is called Deia and Valdemossa. We saw that with the boat it's maybe not the best to go there because there's still more inland, so we still should need to take some sort of transportation. But if we're not staying here because it's early, then maybe we're still going rather more in the south. Decided to go for a walk and little shopping with Miabel, where she begged to have a new toy that we knew we will regret later on.
Aga nad on kuskil mujal ja minu pole pannud seda arvi kuskil seal, mina olen. Kus me peame?
Hispaanias
ja mul pole mingit sõpru Hispaanias.
Veel ei ole varsti. Even though we decided to give Sawyer Anchorage another chance and stay another night, things really didn't go according to our plan. But more about that in the next episode. So thanks for watching, and until then.